What I really enjoy about the program is the struggle itself, trying to understand all the different aspects of it, using the tools, the codes, the materials, using the drills. I really enjoy piecing all that together with things I had already learned and seeing it come together like a puzzle. And when I finally get it running, oh man, that's the thrill. That struggle makes it even better. That's part of that learning experience for me. And it provides a stimulation that I need. Going out in the real world and using the basics that I learned in the classroom and applying it out there and knowing what to do. So I picked Western Piedmont Community College because there were a lot of courses that I was interested in taking. I went ahead and I took the mechanical engineering program and got a degree in that, which involves lots of math with some parts of design and different aspects of mechanical engineering. After that mechanical engineering degree, I thought more about taking some classes and decided to get a CNC degree because it has parallel courses with some of the things I'd already taken. And like I said, I enjoy the math and the design and the learning part of it. And that's why I'm here. Come on and check us out. I promise we won't bite. You can check us out at our Pioneer Preview on April 15th. See you soon.